Hi there, I'm Omar Abbosh. I'm Microsoft's CVP of Industry Solutions. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the promise of AI, artificial intelligence, and the critical role that organizations like IndesIA have in bringing it to life. But before we talk about AI, I want you to cast your minds back to 2014, 2015. Believe it or not, just those few years ago, nobody was really talking about digital in business. And at the time, something called cloud happened, and it enabled this massive wave of digitization that we now take for granted in our daily lives and have created tremendous value. So then if you think about the next chapter, looking forward, again, propagated by cloud. So except the cloud in the future now has got these GPU chips, graphical chips inside them, massive amounts of data, and that is enabling this wave of artificial intelligence. And we're really just at the beginning of that journey today. Now, AI is the next wave of giant innovation, and it's amazingly powerful. There are many flavors of AI. Machine learning is the one that we all have heard about and read about. And machine learning is incredible because once you set up those models, then they continue to ingest data and learn and develop and ever more improving themselves over time. So if you think about any business process, or frankly, any process that we operate in our world today, there's a way in which it can be improved with AI. So on a manufacturing line, you can use computer vision to do quality inspections. In a banking scenario, you can use machine learning to figure out patterns in the stock market in order to generate robotic advice. Insurance companies can use AI to make better underwriting decisions when they're deciding on claims. So we'll see that AI will be pervasive in every aspect of how we do business. At Microsoft, we really believe that AI is a tool to be used for people, to help people in augmenting them, whether it's in their jobs or in their daily lives. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic last year, we made sure that we brought some of our AI capabilities and investment dollars to help researchers on drug discovery processes, to help folks working on the vaccine supply chain to make sure we could distribute shots to frontline workers at moments of critical need. Similarly, when we work for customers, for example, in financial services, and I'm thinking of a company called Munich Re, an insurance company, we're working with them to use AI models to better improve their own probability distributions to assess better future funding needs for potential disasters that may occur in the coming years. I think that very soon, any CEO in the world, no matter where they are, no matter what industry, will tell you that they're going to need to be really good at artificial intelligence in the future in order to have long-run competitive advantage. Now, what does that mean? Well, we still need to deploy AI in a way that's good for people, in a way that is people-centric. So it's an amazingly powerful set of tools, but it needs to be done in the right way. At Microsoft, we spent an enormous amount of effort trying to define what do we mean by the right way. And you're going to hear about this a little bit more today. In fact, we believe so strongly that AI is a tool for people that we don't want it to be a tool that only like the world's best data scientists and data engineers can use. We're creating a set of tools to democratize AI technology so that most companies and most people can access their benefits in the right way. And that's why I'm super delighted to welcome and introduce you today to Hernan Asare from our team at Microsoft, who is amazingly deep in this space and with a great team to share with you his insights and our approach at Microsoft. I hope you really enjoy today.